Hey, what's up, my Pundi X altcoin holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special for Pundi X holder, and a lot of people tell me to please make a video for Pundi X alt. So absolutely, and those days the Pundi X alt has gone very badly, it falls down. But in the last 24 hours, I can't believe this. My brother today starting moving up like a rocket. You can see here in the last in the first 2 weeks they very badly falls down. You can see here Pundi X, and everyone tell me to we are going to sell it. Exactly, a lot of holders sell it, but I think you can see here they are wrong because Pundi X is moving up again. You can see here plus 8.15% they're going up in the last 24 hours. So I hope in upcoming days they're also going up. Let's get started the price prediction of Pundi X. But I request you, my brother, when I start this prediction, I request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Please click the red button. Thank you so much for subscription, and also like this video. If you just like this video, then I'm very happy, my brother. This time, if you can see here, my friends, Pundi X altcoin the change occur and last 24 hours 9.44% going up. So congratulations, they are moving very good. You can see here, and the price I think increased in the last 24 hours but decreased in the first 2 weeks. Absolutely, in the first 2 weeks they very badly fell down, my brother. But in the last 24 hours they starting moving up like a rocket. So congratulations everyone, because Pundi X alt is starting moving again. Okay, my friends, you can see here first of all what's my prediction. I also share you in this video. So first of all, I draw two lines. You can see here this time I also pick this time. You can see here I take a decision. You can see here this time they are very badly falls down, my friend. After a bad falls they take a high jump, and after this jump they also take a jump. They very badly falls down again, my friend, and after this falls they take again very high jump. So after this jump they again falls down, and after this fall they go up like a rocket in upcoming days. Exactly, in upcoming days they're moving up like a rocket. So kindly, I think this is good time to you hold it, and please wait for just 2 or 3 weeks. I hope they give you a very good profit. So thank you so much, Pundi X altcoin holder. Please like and subscribe this channel. Please keep touch with us. I guide you every time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.